everyone needs to kind of understand in California, the Domestic Violence Prevention Act is very broad. And with that, that means that there are lots of different types of domestic violence. There is physical abuse. There is mental abuse, emotional abuse. There is coercive control. And that creates a very big umbrella of what could constitute domestic violence. So when I meet with somebody and they come in, you usually can tell within a few minutes if they fall under those categories. And if they do, and if they need protection, we need to have a conversation as to what that means and kind of what strategy that applies. There are plenty of cases where there is coercive control in a marriage, where one spouse is very controlling over the other, very limiting. That one spouse might not know anything about their finances. They may be shunned off from their family, from their friends. They may be kind of dedicated to certain tasks and stuck with those tasks without knowing what else is going on. And so there really needs to be a conversation about all of those facts. And then even more importantly, what evidence do you have to support those facts? It's very easy to go into court and make a he said, she said argument, maybe get a temporary restraining order. And then when it comes time to a permanent restraining order, there's no evidence there and there's nothing there. And the court's just making a straight credibility determination as to what's going on. And you don't want to be in that position. You need to kind of understand what has happened and what evidence you have to show that it's happened, whether it's text messages, whether it's videos, whether it is third-party declarations who have witnessed it, whether it's police reports or something that involves law enforcement or social services. All of those things become very important in the conversation as to whether or not you're going to proceed with a restraining order.